a double header here at the park in Tysons. We are celebrating Earth Day, which is super exciting everywhere. And then here in Tysons, it's the 173rd birthday of Tysons. Supervisor Alcorn participated in having a plan for how to protect the forest here in Tysons.
So it all comes from upstream, and then you know, you don't even notice sometimes when people put their trash out or their recycling out, things blow out, you know, and onto the street. And once it gets onto the street, it winds up in the storm drain, and then a lot of times it winds up here. So that's why it's important for us to pay attention not only to cleaning up places like this, but also preventing the trash from getting in our creeks and streams and ultimately the Chesapeake Bay. But as part of the Tysons Forest Task Force recommendations, the idea is to try to do these more regularly. And this is not just public property. Some of this is actually privately owned, this stream valley through here. So the Tysons Forest Task Force was a great collaborative effort. And this really does provide a habitat for all sorts of birds and other wildlife.
So the TCA's role in preserving Tysons Forest dates back to when Supervisor Alcorn convened the Tysons Forest Task Force, a group of community members from here in Tysons and the greater Tysons area, really committed to envisioning in practical terms the stewardship of this beautiful natural resource. And we were happy to be part of that task group, and we're definitely happy to be out here today with some of our Tysons teammates participating in the cleanup of the forest on Earth Day.
You know, I had heard, and I'd met with several of the residents in the area. Their love for this forest is really remarkable. You know, there's some good stuff on the tree side.
Because the county has adopted a tree action plan, and it comes up with this idea of community of practice. And I think this has been the first time that we've actually seen a complete community, from business owners to residents to county.
It's especially important as we think of our values in One Fairfax and equity,
really
that yes, we have some beautiful big parks and big spaces, but we also have some smaller spaces in nature, just like the Tysons Forest right here.
Yeah, this is great. I'm hopeful that you know, this will be the first of many such initiatives that are collaborations across public sector, property owners, private sector property owners, and folks that care about the community and care about the environment.